Good evening, everybody. This is Kasim from Masa University, Malaysia. As the name indicates, Masa stands for Malaysian Allied Health Science Academy. We are one of the popular institution in Malaysia. I can proudly tell we'll be in top 2 private institutions in Malaysia. I will just take you guys through the presentation of our university, which will give you the whole history about MASA, what are the programs that we offer, everything. First, to start off with, how MASA University is under the MASA Education Group. It has MASA University, we have MASA College Sabah, we have MASA College KL, we have MASA Prima International College, we have MASA International School, we have MASA Academy. All this falls under MASA. The main vision of the institution is to be the center of excellence for higher education in the Southeast Asian region. And the mission is to deliver education at the highest quality with hands-on experience and to facilitate local and international networking for the students. If you see, these are our board of governors. Prof. Tan Sri Datuk Haji Muhammad Hanifa, he is the executive chairman and owner of MASA, followed by Prof. Tan Sri Ismail Marikan, chairman and board of directors, MASA University. As you can see, these are the top peoples in Malaysia who owns the university. This is the chancellery, Dato Khairul, the VC, Prof. Tan Sri, the pro-chancellor, Tun Zaki, the chancellor, and Haji Muhammad Ismail Marikan, the pro-chancellor again. These are the faculty deans. Most of the faculty deans in MASA are well experienced and they are expert in their field. For example, if you see Prof. Chan, she is the first physiotherapist in Malaysia and she is our dean. You can just go through about that. We'll just take you guys through our milestones, how the MASA was founded. In 2004, MASA College was founded and it's just started with 30 students. Later we expanded and we acquired a new campus in Jalan University campus, which is our city campus, which is present next to University of Malaya. Then we got the college status in 2009. Then official opening of Jalan University was done in 2010. Then the journey continues. In 2011, we appointed our pro-chancellor, that is our Tan Sri Dato Sri Haji Muhammad Ismail Marikan. Then in 2012, we started our new campus groundbreaking, that is our Banda Saujana Putra campus, which we are currently now. We are in that Banda Saujana Putra campus, which is a 50-acre campus with all the facilities under one roof for the students. If you can see, the university achieved its university status in 2013, and first we moved to the new Saujana Putra campus in 2015, and in 2017 there was a groundbreaking was done for the sports complex, which is also inside the Saujana Putra campus, and we are about to open the sports complex by this November. This is the overview of the university. At the moment, we have about 7 faculties, 45 academic programs, 6,000 of total students under the MASA group, out of which 700 international students and 505 total faculty staffs alone, and 179 international faculty staffs. So if you see, out of our total population, we have about 20% the international students. These 20% international students are from 56 different nationalities. Now it has even increased close to 70 nationalities. You can just go through the presentation from which part we have. We have a lot of students from India, mostly from Southeast Asia. So these are the support that we do for the international students. Starting from visa matters, buddy system. Buddy system is something called where the students will be assigned one buddy when they join the university. So it's easy for them to get to know the things which is around the campus, and mostly this buddy will be from their faculty. We do provide on-campus residences, which is just 150-meter walkable within the campus. We do provide free airport pickup for all the international students when they arrive. We also have 1 week orientation during the start of the program, which helps the students to adapt to the university life. During that orientation, we will take you through the campus with different facilities what we offer to the students, and they will be briefed everything what they have to do, what they are not supposed to do. Everything is briefed to the student during this orientation week. Next comes the student feedback, where we have the International Students Association, Students Representative Council. For different programs, different departments have been formed, and it's been rolling out. The final thing we provide is the medical and health services. University itself having its own MASA healthcare, under which it provides all the necessary medical facilities for the students. All these facilities are provided for the international students. These are the main important things what we offer in MASA. At the moment, we have about 7 faculties. In the Faculty of Medicine and Biomedical, we have starting from the diploma level till the master's level. We offer diploma in medical lab technology, Bachelor of Biomedical Sciences. It is a honors program which we run in collaboration with the Anglia Ruskin University, UK. Meaning, upon completion, the students will be getting 2 certificates, one from Massa University, Malaysia, and one more from Anglia Ruskin University, UK. The most popular program in Massa is MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. For medicine programs, we have got a WHO recognition, World Health Organization. We are also registered with FAMER. We are also in the World Directory of Medical Schools, meaning our program is globally recognized. Wherever the students go, the degree is globally recognized. We also offer Master of Public Health and Master of Science Anatomy in our medicine faculty. The next is the Faculty of Dentistry, which is a very popular faculty in Massa University. I can proudly tell that we are the #1 private institution for dentistry in Malaysia, because we are the only university offering one dental chair for one student. If you see, all other universities will be offering one dental chair for few students, but we are not like that. We provide each and every student one dental chair. Also, we have about minimum 100 patients walk into our dental clinic every day. So the student is exposed to a lot of students and they get hands-on experience as much as possible they get. Under the same faculty, we do have diploma in dental technology. This is the assistance for the dental surgeons. They do provide all the facilities for them. Just take a break. Also, we do have certificate of dental surgery assistance, which is also falls under the same faculty of dentistry. Next comes the Faculty of Health and Sports Sciences, under which we have all the allied health science programs like Bachelor of Medical Imaging, Bachelor of Environmental Health, Bachelor of Physiotherapy. The same programs we do offer in diplomas as well. When it comes to Bachelor of Physiotherapy, this program also we run in collaboration with Anglia Ruskin University, UK, meaning upon completion they will get 2 certificates, one from MASA and one more from Anglia Ruskin, UK. Also, we do have other programs, Bachelor of Environmental Health and Medical Imaging. Next comes the Faculty of Nursing and Midwifery. In this, we have from diploma level till the PhD level we have for nursing. We offer all diplomas, bachelor, masters as well as nursing. The next faculty is the faculty of pharmacy. In faculty of pharmacy as well we do have from diploma till the PhD level. Next is the faculty of business, finance and hospitality. This faculty was introduced in 2012 by MASA. At the moment, we have about 600 students under this faculty alone. In this, we have different programs have been offered. Added to this, some programs are not here. We do have included few other programs like diploma in restaurant management, diploma in human resource management. So under this faculty, we have about a very good faculty strength till we have about master's level in this. Next will be PhD, which will be launched very soon. Under the faculty of engineering and IT, we have bachelor in electrical and electronic engineering, diploma in mechanical engineering, diploma in civil engineering. Added to this, we have another three new programs: Bachelor of Information Technology, Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering, and Bachelor of Civil Engineering as well. The last but not the least, the pre-university studies. These are our foundation programs for the students with grade 10. They can join these foundation programs before they progress to the degree programs. It's like this is the shortest pathway for all the students to enter into the degree program. For example, if they are doing foundation in science, the core subjects for this will be four subjects: biology, chemistry, physics, and mathematics. Once they get the required marks, they'll be able to go for medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, or whatever the program they wish to do. They can just enter into the foundation and they can continue to their degree programs. We have two foundations, one for the business programs and one for the science related programs. These are the scholarship. For scholarship information, you can refer to our MASA website, which will give you more information on this. We have different types and categories of scholarship that's been offered to international students as well as the local students of Malaysia. We do provide these free kits for the students. Those who join MASA University, they will be given one Microsoft package free for them. You can see through the pictures the MASA student experience, how they have been encouraging, how they have been participating in different things, how is their life in the university. Just I'm taking you guys through the pictures of the university life. This is our main campus, the main lobby, the giant screen. This is our classrooms. How is our infrastructures? We can just go through that. This is our problem-based learning rooms. This is mainly for the medicine and dentistry students. These are our computer labs for your information. These are our dental clinics and dental labs. You can see here one cubicle is allocated for one student and the student's name being written in that. It's like it's their own clinic. They can just, it's only for them throughout their study. No one is going to share with them. These are the engineering facilities that we have, engineering workshops. This is for the simulation rooms for the medicine. We have the same setup as in hospitals for the medicine. We have our own operation theater itself, for which we have spent alone $1.4 million to set up that operation theater where real operations can be performed, because we wanted to give the students the real experience. This is our library, which is open on all days except the public holidays, which is about 20 days from morning 9 to night 10 o'clock for the students to access. It has everything that students want for all the faculties. Apart from this, students are also given one learning management system where they can download all the lecture notes. The main important thing here is they no need to buy any books and no need to spend anything on books. Everything they just get it over here. These are some of the facilities. This is a giant auditorium. It can accommodate 2,000 people at a moment. These are the cafeterias. Basically, inside the university, we have everything. All the facilities been inside the campus. The student don't want to go out for anything. We have a university departmental store, house university grocer. We have cafeteria where students can get 5 types of foods like Indian, Chinese, Western, Malay, Arab foods. Thank you guys. For more informations, you can just always log into our website www.masa.edu.my. With regards to scholarship that you have asked, at the moment we have different types of scholarship and we give up to 50% based on students' performance. There is also something like pre-approved scholarships as well for few programs. For example, for pharmacy programs, we have about 50% without any conditions or anything. The students will be given 50% on tuition fees. That is one thing. For engineering programs, for Bachelor of Information Technology, we do give 50%. For all other programs, we have about 30% scholarships.